Hey everyone, it's Miranda. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, for the first time, why don't you subscribe, become the latest member of the Slashed Squad. So if you've been around here long enough, you know that back in November, I got married. We were on a budget for this wedding. We were definitely trying to think of creative ways to save money. And if you haven't checked out my wedding planning series on my blog, the link is in the description. I have a lot of updates that I wrote along the wedding planning process and just tips that I learned along the way. So wedding photography and videography is very expensive. Aside from like the venue and the food and the alcohol, the photographer and videographer is probably going to be your biggest bill. So we did end up only hiring a professional photographer for the big day because I wanted to prioritize something that I would actually look back on multiple times for years to come, something I can decorate my home with. So we went with the wedding photos as a priority. However, one of my very best friends, Justine Lieberman, offered to actually like GoPro and vlog the wedding. She does a lot of travel videography and photography on her Instagram here. Follow her, she's amazing. So I had asked her, like, would you want to GoPro our wedding basically? And she's like, sure. It didn't have to be cinematic, it didn't have to be drone style. I just, wanted something kind of vloggy. She ended up capturing some of my favorite moments from the big day, and we worked together to create this kind of homemade wedding video that I wanted to share with you today. If you do want to see some of my official wedding photos, the link will be in the description, but without further ado, here is my wedding video.
Miranda, I want you to know you truly mean the world to me. Every important decision that I make, whether it's for myself or for you or for our little cat family, ultimately has you at the center of it. So I vow to cherish you always. I vow to respect you always. I vow to value your friendship always. I vow to never lose sight of why I fell in love with you in the first place, which is because of your ambition, your drive, and your massive heart and compassion for other people. You inspire me to vow these actions to you, not because you tell me to, but simply because you don't. You are strong, driven, and fiercely independent, which is what I love so much about you. Miranda, you are my confidant, my lover, and my best friend. And I truly hope that I can make you as happy as you've made me in the many more years to come.
Adam, since we met, you immediately felt like family to me. It wasn't long until I realized that I could not imagine going through life's adventures without you. Even on our hardest days, you were who I wanted to share all of my favorite experiences with. I promise to always encourage your ambitions and to be the first to let you know how amazing you are in the process. I'll always try to be the calm in your chaos, your rock when you need anchoring, and your haven when you need safety. I also promise to be your stability when you throw your back out. I promise to love you every day, every moment, together or apart. You are home to me. I also promise I'm always going to be this weird, and I'll never let things get boring. I'll continue to stare adoringly at you until you're uncomfortable, even when you're old and bald. I'll never have a sense of direction, so you'll always have to be my compass. I'll always spend an entire movie asking you questions, even if it's the first time you're watching it too. I promise that every summer, 3 nights a week, I will ignore you because Big Brother is on. But I'll leave you alone during Game of Thrones and any spin-offs that air. I love you.
You, Adam, take Miranda to be your wedded wife, to cherish in love and in friendship, in strength and in weakness, in success and disappointment, to love her faithfully today, tomorrow, and for as long as the two of you shall live. Repeat after me. I am my beloved, and my beloved is mine.
I am my beloved, and my beloved is mine.
I am my beloved, my beloved is mine.
Adam, if you would do.
Alright everyone, thank you so much for letting me share that with you. Please follow Justine, especially if you like travel content. You will love her Instagram feed. If you haven't already, please hit the subscribe button, become a member of the Slash Squad, or hit my face right here. If you want to see another wedding related video that I filmed back when I was doing my wedding planning, click the box here, and for something else fun from my channel, hit right there. Thank you so much for watching. I make new videos every Saturday, sometimes in the middle of the week, and I hope to see you in my next one. Bye!